We are pleased to show you the 2024 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, Bluetooth, smart device integration, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.